Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, I'm Kimmi, and for those of you who are new to my channel, I just want to tell you a little bit about it. I talk about all things related to my health loss journey. I'm on that tip, trying to be healthier, trying to lose some weight, and just little by little. So, and I talk about a lot of things that have happened in my past because I really believe that affects where I'm going in my future. I really do. Sometimes you do have to address the past. Some people are like, well, that happened when you was 5 years old. Well, no. Sometimes why I do what I do today at this age is because of what happened when I was 5 years old. Okay. And I'm sure it's the same for you. So I really want you to take a deep look within, be honest with yourself. You don't have to tell us everything, but be honest. I think some of the answers are going to help you realize maybe why you too may be having whatever health issues you are having, or wherever you are in your life, whatever's going on, it'll add some clarity, okay? But anyway, today we're talking about weight loss surgery. Have you ever considered having weight loss surgery? I'll be honest, I have, and that's why I wanted to talk about it today. I have thought about it. Never gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I shouldn't say never, because you'll never know what you might do. They say never say never. But I thought about it several times throughout the years. Insurance did cover it for me. So I thought about it. It was over, I don't know, like $10,000. This is years ago when I thought about it. Because I was like, I'm just tired. I'm just tired of the struggle. Tired of having to make different choices, right? But then we're going to get into it in just a second, because it all comes together. So let's go back to, so what is weight loss surgery? What is it? Let's talk about it for a minute. So some people recommend weight loss surgery, and it does have some benefits because it'll get you a fast result if someone's super morbidly obese. It will help you to lose weight rapidly. It may help the person have a better quality of life a little faster. Losing 100 pounds in 6 months is pretty good if you've not been able to move for years. Like if you ever watched the 600 pound show. Those people in like 6 months, they lose so much weight, it's crazy. But they're able to start moving immediately. So it's immediate health benefits for them versus the slower way that I've been doing it on Weight Watchers. But again, it's all a personal choice. But I'm just telling you about me and my journey. So I have thought about it. Let's talk about a couple more things and some of the risk and the cons and stuff associated with it. So whenever you have any kind of surgery, you're going to have some risk of complications, right? Infections, bleedings, even death. I do know of a person. I think I knew them personally. The reason I hesitate because it was so long ago, but they did die after they had the surgery because it was complications. Some people have it, they do just well. So it just really depends on the person. It depends on your overall health. Some people have extra pain because of the incisions and stuff like that. So I mean, everything has pros and cons. Another con can be that it's costly if you don't have insurance. Now, when I checked it out twice, I didn't actually go for a consultation. I called the insurance company. I had to move my leg. I called the insurance company and they told me it was covered. So I started to do a little more homework. My mom was like, girl, please. You do not need to do no weight loss surgery. My husband also was like, you do not need to do it. Why did I want to do it in the first place? Well, really because, again, a fast result. But then I didn't think about, after the fact, you can't just eat whatever you want to eat. You cannot. You have to have smaller portions or your body will let you know. Just like in your regular state, my body lets me know if I've had too much. Same thing with the weight loss surgery. It's not a cure-all. You have to get to the root cause. If I have weight loss surgery and I go to a gathering or whatever, the same amount of food is going to be there. So I really have to start working on that mind. That's why I really talk about mental a lot on here. Going back to childhood. Why do I do this? Why do I eat fast? Why? Asking those tough questions, So even with weight loss surgery, I'm not going to recommend it. If your doctor recommended it to you, sure, okay, fine, y'all need to discuss it, pros, cons, whatever, but I don't highly recommend it. I really recommend just trying to have a healthier diet, which I'm working on, regular exercise, and the same old stuff they've been saying for years. There's no shortcut to this weight loss journey. There is not. That's why some weeks I go up, some weeks I go down. Real talk. So it's a journey. It's a journey. It's not easy. It's not easy. So do I recommend weight loss surgery? No, because I don't tell people to do something I'm not going to do, or something I haven't done. But in your case, it may be different. And again, you talk to your healthcare professional, which I am not. But that's my 2 cents on weight loss surgery. So I'm doing it the old-fashioned way, little by little, pound by pound. That's how I got it on me, pound by pound. And I'm actually enjoying the journey. So just for example, you taking a road trip out to California, and you got to get there. You got to get there really fast, and you say, I'm going to take the Greyhound bus. Is that really getting there fast? No. But you may say, I'm going to take the scenic route on the Greyhound, because Greyhound going to stop here. It's going to stop there. Greyhound is real slow. So if you mentally prepare yourself for the rides, you got your snacks, you got your music, etc., you might enjoy the journey of going on Greyhound, because it's going to take longer, right? But if you have a choice to get on that airplane, which we're going to compare the gastric surgery to, you're going to get there real quick. You ain't see nothing. You just got to your destination. Same thing with weight loss surgery. You just got there. You ain't have to do nothing to get there. You just had everything cut, boom, bam, there. You're there. Usually they make you go through some kind of psychological stuff before they do weight loss surgery on you too. They usually do. But my point is how fast you get there with weight loss surgery. So you may not stick it out as long as you would have, or be as dedicated as if you took the long route. Like for me, I'm examining my mental state. I'm examining why I do stuff. I'm examining how I do stuff. It's a whole situation. And I'm being more honest and more frank with myself than I have ever been in life. I have such clarity, and it's continuing day by day. So stick around. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. We talk about everything over here, honey. Everything. So join me, okay? Healthy Life with Kimmi. Until next time. Bye.